Good evening, everyone. I am from Kranti Keen Academy as an English faculty. I'm here as we have done with our Sainik Indian Entrance Exam 2024. Here we are to explain about English portion. So let me just start with one by one question. So the first question here would be, choose the correct spelling given options. As we all know, this is about correct spelling. The first question answer would be sanction. So we have 4 options here, one by one given, and we have to select the correct option here. So this would be sanction, SANCTION. So this is the correct option, number 1. So let us move on for the next one. Choose the word opposite in meaning to the given word. So here we have the word forgiveness. So we need to select the option opposite to it. So the opposite word of forgiveness would be revenge. Okay. So let us move on to the third one. Choose the correct article from the given option. So here we have a sentence, but we need to select according to the sentence what exact article should be fit in that. He is dash honest officer. So before a vowel, always we need to select the option as and. So here the option is 2, option and. So let us move on for the next one. Fourth question. So here identify the tense of the following sentence. Here we have the sun sets in the west. We all know that this is the universal truth that sun sets in the west and the sun sets in the west. So here we have the correct option as the tense is present indefinite, because we cannot change the truth. It is universal truth. So that's why the sentence, this type of tense would be present indefinite. So let us move on for the next one. Fill in the blank. The dash of these products dash good. So we need to select the option as the singular and plural. So let us see the first one, the dash. The dash means the quality of these products. So here we have the plural form. So we need to select the option here, the second blank, according to plural form. So here we have are. So the quality of these products are good. So that means here singular and here comes the plural. So quality are. The second option would be the correct answer. So let us move on for the next one. So we have a passage here. So the first question of the passage would be, it is believed that the Pasima shawl is as warm as what? Exactly. It is 6 sweaters. That means Pasima shawl is something very... So here this is the passage and we have questions, 5 questions regarding to the passage. The first one is, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. It is believed that the Pashmina shawl is as warm as. So here they are talking about the Pashmina shawl. So how warm it is? It is as 6 sweaters. Okay. So the first answer of the passage would be second one. So let us move on for the next one. Choose the correct statement. The goats shed some of their hair in summer. Why do you think they shed in summer? Because that is the time in summer their hair will just fall off. So that's why this is the correct statement, number 1. So let us move on for the next one. Choose the correct option. After almost dash of weaving one plain Pashmina shawl is made of. It is 250 hours. That means it takes almost 250 hours to weave the shawl. So let us move on for the next one. A coat of warm hair grows of the goat's body which protects it from extreme cold. What is that? Identify the parts of speech. Here they are asking us to identify the parts of speech of hair. Do you know the parts of speech of hair? As it is the part of a human body, it fits under noun. Parts of speech noun. So let us move on for the next one. Choose the opposite of thick. We all know this. It is very easy. You can answer it as the opposite of thick would be thin. So let us move on for the next one. Okay, the next question is of Identify the adjective from the given options. Here adjective is all about describing a noun or a pronoun. So here we have 4 words as an options. The first one is high, second one is found, birds, remains. So here the only one which describes a noun or a pronoun is high. So here the 11th one answer would be 1, that is high. Let us move on for the next one. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of comparison. We all know that we have comparison of each and everything. Here we have about money. Here in the sentence they are explaining about money and we need to compare that. How can we compare? Can we compare I have not so more money, I have most money, I have many money? No, that will be wrong. So the correct answer here would be I have more money in my pocket. There are few children who use many, which is wrong. So please find out yourself and please got to know your answer today, that is more. So the 13th question here we have again an opposite word here. Choose the word that is opposite of real. You all know this is very easy question, you can answer it. So the correct opposite word for this would be imaginary. Let us move on for the next one. Choose the correct spelling. We have 4 spellings here. Actually, they are asking the correct spelling of receive. So, the correct spelling of receive would be R-E-C-E-I-V-E. So, here the first answer would be receive spelling. So, here the spelling is R-E-C-E-I-V-E. This is the correct spelling, that is first option. Let us move on for the second one. Choose the correct option to improve sentence and replace it with underlined word. Here we need to replace. Why they are asking us to replace is because we need a correct answer there. Did their bus come on time? There. They have given there is something we are going to point out a place. So there would be wrong answer. So here the correct answer would be did their bus come on time? So the correct option would be there, that is first. There and there is lot of difference between there and there, because there is about place and that is we are talking about people. So let us move on for the next one. Choose the correct option to improve sentence. Here we are trying to edit something. Let us see what is that. Ram left the house before Shyam got there. Ram left the house before Shyam got there. So here the sentence is in past form. So we need to select something which is in past form here just to edit. That means just to improvise the sentence. So we have 4 options here. Will leave, leaves, had left, has left. So here in this 4 options we need to get something which is of past tense, that is had left, that is third option. So let us move on for the 17th question. Fill in the blank with the question. Fill in the blank with the suitable question. I needn't ask him dash. That means here we need to add a question tag. Here we have I needn't. We already have something needn't here. So we just need to change that into a question to form this as a question. So that is 4th option, need I. Okay. So let us move on to the next one.
Unlock. No need to go there.
Oh.
They are not using pen now.
Okay. Complete the sentence with the correct form of verb. So here we all know that verb is about action. So the train dashed suddenly. Here the train dashed suddenly. We need to select a suitable verb here. The train is the train is stopped suddenly. The train stopped suddenly. The train was stopping suddenly. The train has stopped suddenly. No, this is as a past form. So here the train stopped suddenly. So let us move on for the next one. Choose the sentence having intransitive verb. Intransitive verb is something which we are not talking about a particular verb. So here we need to talk something which is in another form of verb. That is boys fly kite. This is very clear. Birds fly. Karim ran a race. He burned his diary. So all this 1, 2 and 4 options are transitive. So here the correct option would be third one, that is Karim ran a race. So let us move on for the next one. Fill in the blank with suitable conjunction. I do not know dash he has gone or not. So here we need to select a conjunction to build up the sentence. So we have 4 options here: whether, if, through yet. I do not know if he has gone wrong. I do not know through he has gone or not. I do not yet he has gone or not. So the correct option here would be the first one, that is, I do not know whether he has gone or not. Let us move on for the next one. Complete the sentence with suitable article. Here we have to select a suitable article. So here the correct article would be Ram is a student whom we all expect to get less than 35% marks. So we are selecting an option as A because this is not definite, it is indefinite. Out of all the students, they are just speaking about Ram, so it is indefinite. So that's why we will select A as an article. Let us move on for the next one. Fill in the blank with correct preposition. We all know that preposition is something which is the position of a noun or a pronoun. So let us see. The speaker is going dash the subject. What is exactly happening there? When somebody is trying to have a conversation and they suddenly stop and they are going out to another conversation, that means he is going off that. So here the correct answer would be off, O-F-F. That means he is off. He is going off that. Let us move on for the next one. Fill in the blank with correct word. Here they have given us a sentence and we need to select the correct word so that this sentence get completed. Akbar's army dashed the castle of Chiturgraha. So here the correct one is seized. The third one, S-E-I-Z-E-D, because this seized is something he has conquered over it. And the first one, C-E-S-E, is something he has stopped. So the correct answer would be third one. So let us move on for the next one. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom beat the air. Here they have given us an idiom, so we need to select the correct answer for that. So here we have four options. So the first option, to make useless effort, something who are just making a useless effort. So to tell that useless effort, we can use the idiom called as beat the air. Let us move on for the last question. Choose the word opposite and the meaning of the given option. So here we have threat. Threat is something someone is always back of us. So that is a threat, and opposite to that would be safety. And thank you so much. So we are end of the explain about the paper, and here I am very thankful to the parents who have put on a lot of effort on our students. As I am an English faculty, I am too happy that our students have scored 48, 46 out of 50, as we are so happy to celebrate this day today, because it was a good day for us. As English faculty, I am too happy, and I want parents to be very cooperative, and they were cooperative and even more cooperative with the students, so that they would be in a very better future tomorrow.